Hello everyone and welcome. This is Dawn. I'm back with another video for you. Today I'll be using the Whimsy Stamps Tin Games Up and Down stamp set and the Slimline Daisy Embossing folder. So let's get started. First I'm going to emboss my paper. I put a piece of white cardstock cut to 3.5 by 8.5 and I put it in the embossing folder. I'm using my Gemini Junior, so the sandwich would be the bottom cutting plate, the embossing folder, and then the top cutting plate, and then I run it through my machine. When you take it out, you have this beautiful daisy embossed pattern. Next, I'm going to use the Slimline Fancy die to cut out the background. Now keep in mind, if you do it this way, the background won't be raised up as much as it would be if you die cut the background out first and then emboss it. But this was the look I was going for today. I stamped the two elephants from the Tin Games Up and Down stamp set and cut them out with my brother's Scan and Cut, but you can easily fussy cut these images out. I'm going to do some quick Copic coloring for the elephants. I'm only going to show me coloring one of the elephants since it's basically the same for both of them. I start by putting W5 warm gray around the edge of the elephants. Then I color in the whole elephant with W3, the warm gray. I blend the two colors as I'm going. I take R11 Pale Cherry and color the girl's ears, her mouth, and the two hearts on her feet. I use W1 Warm Gray to color in the toenails. I colored in the flower with R37 Carmine Pink and the stem with G94 Grayish Olive. I cut a piece of black cardstock to 8 4/8 by 3 3/8. I die cut the word loved from black cardstock and I used the love die set. Then I heat embossed the sentiment "You're So" with white embossing powder onto black cardstock. After I decided the layout of my card, I decided I wanted the word love raised up more, so I die cut two more from black cardstock. And I also cut a piece of white cardstock to 8.5 by 7 and I scored it at 3.5 for my card base. I glue the 3 layers of the word love together and then I start to assemble my card. I put glue on the back of my daisy embossed panel and glue a piece of craft foam to the back to give it dimension. Then I glue the panel to the black cardstock and then I glue that panel to the white card base. I glue the sentiments to the card and I put foam tape on the back of the "You're So" sentiment to give it dimension. I put foam tape on the back of both of the elephants and adhered them to the card. And to finish off the card, I put foam tape on the back of a little heart and I attached it above the girl elephant. And that will complete my card for today. I want to thank you for joining me on the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. I would love for you to leave a comment below and let me know what you think of the Tin Games Ups and Downs stamp set and the Daisy Embossing folder. Be sure to subscribe to the Whimsy Stamps channel and their other social media platforms so you don't miss out on any upcoming releases and great videos. Also, check out their website for all their new releases. Thanks and have yourself a wonderful day.